President Emmerson Mnangagwa is facing mounting resistance within the Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF and beyond, as his controversial bid to extend his rule until 2030 has sparked outrage over allegations of constitutional mutilation. Sadapina mashoko atinoti panguva inoi vanhu vakunyasa kutora side ravanoda panguva inoi vachiti aiwa zviita kumbotamba takati Mwari inoda kuti zvaamboitika zvekare muna 2017 saka izvi kuziva kuti toenda kudivi ripi. Sadapina mashoko amundanyorwa panapa subscribe or like on the bell kuti mina mobile function. The move now in its implementation phase has exposed deep fractures within the party and intensified speculation that Mnangagwa's grip on power is rapidly weakening. ZANU-PF has escalated its push for a constitutional amendment that would delay the 2028 elections by 2 years, effectively extending Mnangagwa's term without public consent. The party, which passed this resolution during its 21st annual National People's Conference in Bulawayo, is now executing it through parliament, sidestepping a referendum. There is no going back in implementing the resolution, declared ZANU-PF National Political Commissar Mnyaradzi Machacha, signaling that the party has already instructed Parliament to proceed with the amendment. Recent public appearances and political maneuvers by Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga fueled speculation that the military might be positioning itself in to challenge Mnangagwa's rule. Last week, Chiwenga's grand entrance at the National Heroes Acre, where a massive crowd erupted in chant of a pro-opposition Nelson Chamisa song, was interpreted as a powerful statement that Mnangagwa's authority is under siege. Tomashoko atinoti panguva inoi aiwa tinoona kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe panguva inoi ari kuleka support panhau the term extension. Tiona kuti aiwa generally neonyaswa kuti even public appearances pese panenge achifamba tinoona vanhu vanenge vachinyasa kuratidza kuti aiwa kunyange nekuimba kwakaita that song yaNelson Chamisa pana Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga ndo another imwe threat yatiri kuona kuti vanhu vari kufunga kuti aiwa kunenge kwakuda kuti tomubatanidzwa panapa kwajenerali pamwe naChiwenga. Emudze mafunguro emu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.